Are you okay?
Are you okay?
He draws a picture.
He draws a picture.
I am proud of you.
I am proud of you.
Do you love me?
Do you love me?
You can try.
You can try.
I like pizza.
I like pizza.
May I help you?
May I help you?
I don't like tea.
I don't like tea.
I am eating rice.
I am eating rice.
What color is it?
What color is it?
Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
We play football.
We play football.
Let's learn English.
Let's learn English.
That's not mine.
That's not mine.
What's this?
What's this?
I like this one.
I like this one.
That's not easy.
That's not easy.
She washes clothes.
She washes clothes.
Is this your shoe?
Is this your shoe?
How much is it?
How much is it?
I drink water.
I drink water.
This is my pen.
This is my pen.
No doubt about it.
No doubt about it.
Let me check.
Let me check.
Be happy.
Be happy.
I am so excited.
I am so excited.
I can't do it.
I can't do it.
Come back soon.
Come back soon.
I don't believe it.
I don't believe it.
You got it.
You got it.
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
I am not sure.
I am not sure.
See you later.
See you later.
I am extremely sorry.
I am extremely sorry.
It's raining.
It's raining.
Put on your coat.
Put on your coat.
Don't be late.
Don't be late.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I put on my shirt.
I put on my shirt.
Calm down.
Calm down.
I am busy with my job.
I am busy with my job.
What can I do for you?
What can I do for you?
Can you give me a hand?
Can you give me a hand?
Can I ask you a question?
Can I ask you a question?
I prefer to read in the library.
I prefer to read in the library.
What is your phone number?
What is your phone number?